Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, and today I'm making vegetarian quesadilla with fresh tomato salsa and guacamole. So let's get started. And if you like the recipe, please subscribe the channel. So for making the quesadilla we need some vegetables. So I have red onion, sliced mushroom, red peppers, green peppers, and some chopped tomatoes, red kidney beans, corn, grated cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese, green onion, and some jalapenos. I'm gonna make one homemade spice for quesadilla. We just need to mix this all together. This has 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon fresh ground cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I'm also going to use the Valentino hot sauce, and then also I'm going to make the fresh tomato salsa. So I'm going to use freshly chopped tomatoes. I'm going to use fresh chopped cilantro, chopped red onion, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then for the guacamole, I have avocado. I'm going to use avocado for guacamole. I'm going to add some cilantro in it, some chopped red onion. I'll use some lemon and then some seasoning. So we'll start with cooking our vegetables for quesadilla and then tomato salsa and guacamole. So let's get started with making our vegetables for quesadilla first. So let's start cooking our vegetables for quesadilla. So we need our pan on medium heat. Add oil in your pan. So our pan is nice and hot now. So we'll add our onion. Saute the onions for about a minute or minute and a half. Red peppers, again saute our red peppers for about 1 minute, and then we'll add our mushroom. We can add our mushroom now. Now we'll add our chopped tomato. So about 1 teaspoon spice, maybe a little bit more. Give a nice stir. Now I'm going to add red kidney beans and corn. At this point, I'll add another teaspoon spice. Okay guys, so our vegetables are cold now, so we'll start building our quesadilla. So I got vegetables right here, tortilla sheet right here, grated cheese, mozzarella and cheddar. I have some green onions, Valentino hot sauce. So first I'll put some cheese on the bottom. A little bit hot sauce, chopped green onion, and a little bit more cheese on top, and just simply fold this into half. Okay guys, so now we're gonna sear our quesadillas. I'm gonna add a little bit oil, butter, now I'm gonna add my quesadilla in the pan. Okay, it's time to flip our quesadilla now. Okay, so I got nice brown color and it looks very crispy, so I'm going to take this one out.